Hey friends, welcome back to another video of S5 Pro. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you 5 accessories you need to have for your guitar. So guys, it's just not the thing that yes, I have my guitar and now I can play it. No, you need to have this 5 accessories are a must for your guitar. So if you enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for such videos in the future. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, I have all the 5 accessories ready with me. So let me take it out from my bag and then I will give you a detailed explanation why do you need it and what's its use. So let's take them out from the bag. So friends, as you all have seen that I've taken out all the things, these also, everything from my bag. So now let's start with it. So guys, the first accessory you need for your guitar. See, when you buy a guitar, they just hand over a single guitar to you like this. So yeah, you can just not start playing with this. You need these things. So the first thing is our guitar cover. So guys, many types of guitar covers are available in the market. We don't need a guitar cover like this, neither a guitar cover like this. We need a simple guitar cover which has a little bit of padding with it and it's not heavy to carry it. See, we don't carry our guitars to tours like going on international trips or not in plane. We just use it at our homes, sometimes in schools and college, and take it to our friend's birthday party or our friend's house. So we don't need that much protection like this cover, and we don't need this cover also because this cover is just useless. You just need a bag which has a little padding like I use. This is an Ashton's guitar cover. So guys, you can see, let me open this cover fully. It's like this. So you can see that it's a bit thick than this cover. It has a little bit of padding. It has a pocket here and it has a backpack style strap. Guys, I would recommend you all to buy a guitar bag with a backpack style strap, and it needs to have this front cover. Why it needs to have this front pocket, I will tell you this thing in the later half of the video, but please buy this with a cover and I will tell you the reason in the video. And this is also required. Why is this required? Guys, see, we never need to hold our guitar like this or like this while we are traveling, because if we do like this, our guitar's neck is being exposed out of our body, and if a person is walking or running or even a vehicle, it can damage our guitar's neck or even a wall. So we need a backpack style guitar so that we can wear it on our shoulders and its neck is above our head, so it has less chance of getting damaged. So please buy a guitar with a backpack style strap, and see, now they have these things also to adjust the strap, so you can do it accordingly. So guys, let's take up the next important accessory. So guys, the next important accessories are the plectrums. So let me show you what is a plectrum. A plectrum looks like this, and there is another plectrum which is this. So guys, why do we need a plectrum? Now see, now I am playing my guitar normally. So guys, now hear the sound with a pick. So guys, now I think you can notice the difference. Like when I play without a pick, the sound is very less, but when I play with a pick, the sound increases. It's just not the thing that I'm playing harder when I use this and playing soft when I'm using that. I'm using the same amount of energy, but a pick is required. And while playing also, sometimes your fingers can get cut, so this thing prevents it from. And guys, picks come of different type. One type of a pick is this. You can play this from all the three sides, and this pick has an advantage that you have more surface area to hold it than this one. This has less surface area, but both of them are good. Both of them also come for a reasonable price. If you want to buy these things, the links will be in the description. You can go and check it out. So let's move on. Our next item in this list is a clip-on tuner. So guys, you would have noticed that after few months of practicing, your guitar sound is the sound of a particular string, or all the strings are not that melodious as they were at that time when you had bought the guitar. This simply means that your guitar is not tuned. So this helps to tune your guitar. If you want to know how to tune a guitar, I have already made a video on that. The link is in the description and it will come in the I button. You guys can go and check it out there. So this is used to tune your guitar, and you always need to have this. Now you would say, there are many mobile apps for this. Yes, there are mobile apps, but this is better because this is more accurate than them. If you don't have this, in emergency you have to use that. But I would suggest you to buy a clip-on tuner. So friends, now let's move on to the next. So guys, the next things are the strings. So guys, now you will ask, we already have strings put on. Why do we need more strings? So guys, if we play our guitar, sometimes we strike hard or something happens, our string can break. So we need to put a string. Now you will say, why should we carry extra strings? We can buy it whenever it breaks. But guys, whenever you go out, you waste 2 to 3 days time in searching for a good string, and then you will not be able to play your guitar, and there will be a break in your consistency, and you will not be consistent in playing your guitar. So if you have a string, you can immediately put on and your practice will never stop. So you will be consistent. So please keep all the 6 strings with you. Keep one extra string for each string. Like if you have string 1, keep only one extra string for string 1 and keep all the 6 strings. Strings come like this in a packet. Yeah, you can use any string. Now the next thing is a guitar book. Now see, whenever we try to play a song and we master that song, we see now we don't need the notes and we see it from the internet. But guys, if you write your notes in a guitar book, then you can refer it easily. And what happens if you go on the net after some months or some weeks also, that same note is not there, or the same website is not there, and sometimes if the website is also there, they say that you have to pay to see the full lyrics. So if you have already seen the full lyrics and you have written down in your book, you can refer it easily. This book looks something like this. And guys, I also write whatever I have learned. So I have written it like this, something you can see here. So guys, make sure you write it, and whenever you get notes, if someone else writes it for you, please make a bag like this and keep all your notes inside. So let me show you one. So guys, I have all my notes here. One second. So I have all my notes here. I have kept these notes with me so that in future if I want to refer with them, I can refer it easily. So guys, please make a file and write things in your book so that you can refer it. And now I am answering your question, why do you need a guitar bag with a pocket? So guys, so you need this because you can keep all your notes and all your string plectrums in it. And guys, one advice, please keep your strings, plectrums and your tuner in one pouch like this, so that you don't need to search in such big pockets. See, guitar also come pockets with some pocket here and some pocket here. That is also good. This pocket is meant for your plectrums and tuners, and this is for your notes. But if you don't get this, you have this also, then keep it in a pouch like this. This kind of pouch is easily available in the market. You can keep the things in this, and now there's a systematic, it becomes a systematic way to keep the things in the place. So friends, hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for content like this. I will meet you